Now you are a mother. You have a baby. Baby changes your life. Baby changes your body. Some changes you are not happy about. So if you are not happy about your body changes, take action. Start doing some exercises. Start taking care of yourself little more than you are doing right now. And your body will start responding positively and you will come back to normal. And of course, don't expect any miracles. You must start any exercise with stretching. So let's do full body stretching in sitting position. Bring your arms to the shoulder level. Change the position of your palm. Let them face the skyward. Take your arms above your head. Join the palms and stretch your whole body. Feel the stretch in whole of your back up to the tip of your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Bring your arm back to the shoulder level. Change the position of your palm and come down. This exercise you can start by doing 3 times and increase to 5 times. It's going to be a wonderful exercise to relax your body and for your back also.